Hello YouTube friends around the world. Welcome back again with Animal Class TV. Enjoy watching.
The reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organs in organisms that work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction. Many non-living substances such as fluids, hormones, and pheromones are also important accessories for the reproductive system. Unlike most organ systems, sex of species that have differentiated often have significant differences. This difference allows for the combination of genetic material between two individuals, which allows for a greater possibility of genetic fitness of the offspring. The reproductive system, which involves the reproductive organs in living things, is used to reproduce, with the aim of preserving the species so that it does not become extinct. There are two main modes of animal reproduction, namely asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is the creation of a new individual whose genes all come from one parent without the fusion of egg and sperm. Sexual reproduction is the creation of offspring through the fusion of haploid gametes to form a diploid zygote. Specialized cells, namely gametes, unite in sexual union and produce a zygote. In higher plants and animals, the gametes have attained a high degree of specialization into motile sperm and egg cells, which are usually passive and have food reserves. Animals can reproduce only asexually or sexually, or they can alternate between the two modes. Many invertebrates can reproduce asexually by fission, budding, gemulation, fragmentation and regeneration. Animals that reproduce sexually must have a system that produces and transmits gametes of one sex to gametes of the other sex. The reproductive system is very diverse. The simplest system doesn't even have a clear gonad at all. The most complex reproductive systems have many collections of ducts or accessory glands that carry and protect the gametes and the developing embryo. Among vertebrates, several genera of fish, amphibians, and lizards reproduce exclusively by a complex form of parthenogenesis. Sexual reproduction presents particular problems for sedentary animals, animals that nest in burrows in the ground, or for parasites, which have difficulty finding members of the opposite sex. One solution to this problem is hermaphroditism, in which each individual has a male and female reproductive system. Another type of hermaphroditism in animals is sequential hermaphroditism, in which an individual changes sex during their lifetime. In some of these animal species, some are protogynous and protandry.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.